We've had plenty of warnings recently about rising childhood obesity rates and increasing cases of diabetes in Wales. The evidence linking these conditions to a more sedentary lifestyle is clear. Changing this attitude, we know, requires a cultural shift in the way people choose to live their lives, and one of the main ways we can do that is to increase their knowledge and understanding of what options are available to them. Another is to ensure that the encouragement and positive experiences of physical activity start early on at school age. Therefore, we believe the Welsh Government's consideration of whether to make PE a core subject in the Welsh curriculum is crucial. And we also want to see the Welsh Government do more to encourage women and black and minority ethnic communities into sport. And of course, with local authorities feeling the squeeze from budget cuts, we believe there is a greater need than ever to ensure access to affordable leisure facilities across Wales. The committee identified a number of barriers which must and can be overcome to increase the numbers of people taking part in sport in Wales, and we hope that the Welsh Government takes on board our recommendations.